Welcome back, design enthusiast. Today we are diving into the world of PVC louver panel, a versatile and contemporary choice these days. Before we unveil their design potential, let's explore their usage, pros and cons. PVC wall panels are increasingly used for home interiors. And do you know why? Because PVC is economical, durable, and readily available in the market. From residential to commercial spaces, it can be designed in many ways, making it easy and viable to be used differently for different spaces. So let's explore how they seamlessly blend utility and style. PVC louver panels are durable and low maintenance. Their moisture-resistant property make them ideal for areas like kitchen and bathrooms. Additionally, their lightweight nature makes installation a breeze. Oh, and did I mention design flexibility? These panels offer a canvas for creative expression, for various finishes and colors to complement any interior.
These panels are easy to maintain and only require occasional cleaning with a damp cloth. You can avoid using abrasive cleanser or chemicals that may damage the panels. The main purpose of using PVC wall panels is to decorate a space, and it can be done very easily.
While PVC louver panel excel in many areas, they may not be suitable for high temperature environment. Some critics argue about their eco-friendliness due to their production process and eventually disposal. For the bedroom, wood-like PVC wall panel can be an elegant addition. The rustic texture adds to the space and bring a much-needed connection with nature. As seen here, using it for half of the accent wall is sufficient for a warm and natural vibe. Interestingly, all the elements used, laminated wooden wardrobe, pendant lights, complement the panel, and this is important for overall aesthetics. These sheets can be used as the backsplash for the TV unit or as an add-on layer to the room accent wall. In this design, the PVC sheet makes the charming and sophisticated tone of the bedroom. Doesn't it strike the right balance between refined and ordinary? The other elements have also been carefully placed to add to the room's charm.
Before you buy PVC panel, you should measure the wall you want to cover to determine the number of panels you will need. Consider the height and width of the wall to ensure you purchase the correct size panels, as they are available in range of colors from white and beige to bright hues like red and green. Choose a color that matches your existing interior decor, or you can even opt for bold color to create a statement wall. Common thicknesses for PVC wall panels include 5 mm, which is commonly used for interior residential and commercial applications like bathrooms and kitchen. This thickness provides a balance between durability, cost effectiveness, and ease of installation. 8 mm is slightly thicker option, offering increased durability and insulation. These are often used in commercial or high traffic residential areas where greater resistance to wear and tear is needed. 12 mm panels are typically used in special application where extreme durability and insulation are needed, such as in cold storage facilities or industrial settings. It is important to choose the right thickness for your specific application and consult the manufacturer's recommendations. If I talk about the cost, then PVC wall panel are an affordable option for those looking to update their home interior decor. The cost will depend on the size, design, and material.
Let's bring this to life. Here is a mock-up of how a PVC louver panel can elevate a living space, offering both form and function. You can notice how it played with light and shadow and creating a captivating ambience. These panels has gained popularity in various construction and interior design projects due to their affordability, ease of installation, and durability. PVC louver panels are more than just a versatile building material. They are a design element that empower creativity and redefine spatial dynamics. As with any design choice, understanding their usage, weighing the pros and cons, and embracing their potential in interior design can lead to stunning and functional spaces. If you enjoyed today's exploration into PVC louver panels, then don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell for more design insights. Until next time, stay inspired and keep designing.